Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Salicia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I install a frontal wig Burmese curly. It is my signature vacation hair. It's just so perfect. So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching.
Nothing but a beauty queen. She make it look so easy. No one else can compare. She know what she doing.
So let's jump right into it. Please do not judge my wig. This is an old wig. I have not worn this wig since my birthday in September. And unfortunately, when I took it off a few months ago, I literally just stored it exactly how it was when I took it off. So to begin the process, we're going to clean all the old glue off with alcohol. Also, let me say this, I do not recommend doing that. You should always wash your wigs and store them clean. It's just better. They stay hydrated and they actually last longer. But yeah, so I'm going to clean all the I'm going to clean all the extra glue off with alcohol and a towel. Once all of the glue is removed, I'm going to begin conditioning first. Now, as you can see here, I'm showing you that there's still some glue balls left on the hair, and I'm going to get rid of that with my conditioner. I try to prevent scrubbing so hard with alcohol because sometimes you can actually speed up the process of your lace becoming bald when you overly rub with the alcohol. So conditioner can also loosen up those glue balls. I like to put conditioner and take my wig detangling brush and gently go in and pick each glue ball out, and that just helps me preserve my wig a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm gonna do that until all the glue balls is gone, and then also until my wig is completely detangled. So a tip that I do is I always condition any wig, straight, curly, or whatever. I condition my hair first before applying any shampoo, because definitely since this wig was stored improperly, it is going to be a little bit drier than normal. So you want to give it that extra moisture, lubrication to help the detangling process. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do here. And then we're going to move on to the shampooing process. And obviously, as you can see here, I am detangling from the ends up. That's how you detangle. Definitely with curly hair, you do not want to skip this step. Detangle from the ends and work your way up. Trust me, it's going to save you so much time. You're going to save so much money by not pulling all the hair out your wigs. And lastly, you're going to save your arm from hurting. My shampoo of choice today is the olive oil neutralizing shampoo. I definitely like to use this on the area of the lace where the glue is, even if I don't use it on the actual hair, because it will strip the hair of any like products or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to comb that through to make sure that any buildup of product, because with curly hair, we do use a lot of product. So I just want to make sure that all of that product is gone, and as well as the conditioner that I use as my pre-poo in the beginning. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to also make sure that my lace is completely clean, no leftover glue balls, no leftover glue on the inside or on the outside of my lace. And this is really going to call for a very clean install. If you don't properly wash your wigs or properly comb all of that glue out and remove the glue, you will find that when you do reinstall your wig, there will be leftover glue, and then it creates like a cakey, melty look, and it's not cute at all. So take your time. As you can see here, I'm really taking my time making sure that my wig is lathering. I can't talk today. Make sure that your wig is lathering, which will really ensure that your wig is clean. And once that's done, you could go ahead and wash all of that out. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I like to wash my wigs with lukewarm water, and that really helps lock in the moisture, lukewarm to cold. And yeah, once that's done, I'm going to place it in the dryer. And I like to dry my curly wigs on a cool temperature. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin the install process. While that wig was drying, I already put on my ball cap. It's very simple. If you guys would like to see how I put my ball caps on, just comment down below, and I will definitely make that a separate video. Once my ball cap is dry, I'm going to sew the back down, and then I'm going to begin removing the front, and I just cut as close to the hairline as possible. I love to mimic my natural hairline when I'm installing a wig, so I do go very close to my hairline with my ball caps. So now that all the extra cap has been cut off, I'm going to take my 91% alcohol and my towel, and I am going to clean my hairline where I plan to apply my glue. This is going to remove any spray, glue, makeup, whatever you put on your cap. Once that's done, I'm going to take my Skin Shield Guard by Erica J and my glue, and I'm going to, 1, spray my scalp and make sure that it is dry before 2, applying the glue. So I'm literally just going to smooth this glue in until it is clear, and this will be my first layer. I do 4 layers of glue. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth video of how I apply my glue, just comment down below. It's very simple, same way most people do. You apply a thin layer, make sure it is 100% clear before applying your second layer, and yeah, apply up to 4 layers of glue and you should be good. And now that we have applied all of our layers of glue, we're going to get our wig, which is 100% dry, 100% clean. As you can see, that lace, look at that lace. And this is HD lace that we're working with. You guys can purchase this wig from Crowns for Queens. I believe this is a 26-inch, I think, Burmese curly frontal wig. So yeah, don't mind my side. The side, I think I put too much glue. It wasn't drying all the way, but that really doesn't matter. My wig is still going to be laid, so just watch. Okay, so what I do is I like to put side by side. I used to install my wigs middle to both sides, but now I do left side and then install the right side. And I really just take my time. I'm sorry the angle is not that great. I'm really trying to perfect doing my hair on camera. The more videos I post, the better I will be getting. So please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and just bear with me. But I'm going to just take the lace and place it as close to I can to the line of the glue, and I like to make sure that there is literally no glue shown once I place it down. I don't mind adding additional glue. I just hate when it's too much glue and not enough lace to cover it, because then that's a problem. So you see how like that little flab right there could use a little bit of glue underneath it, or it could be trimmed, because like as you can see, that one piece right there is bald, so that piece I could just cut off. But imagine if that was glue right there. Oh my god, it's so hard, and honestly makes the installation look nasty. It's nasty work. So my key to you is, it's okay to have to go in and add more glue, but it's not okay to have too much glue and not enough lace or hair to cover it. It's not okay. So yeah, I'm just going to, like I said, press that wig into place, and then after I'm all done, if there is any additional pieces that are not being adhered from me pressing it, I'm just going to add a little extra glue. But before doing that, I like to trim off anything that is needed. Now on old wigs, you're going to have to go in and cut any additional lace, because over time, hair does fall off of your lace. Not tremendously, but just enough where to me it doesn't look natural to have like a piece of lace glued down but no hair on it. So I just go in and cut that off. Once that's done, I'm going to kind of blend my lace in with my makeup brush. And I didn't put any additional makeup on. It's honestly just makeup residue that kind of gives like a soft melt. And that's pretty much it. Once that's done, I go back into any area that was not glued down. And I'm just going to go in and glue those areas down. So a trick that I like to do when I'm pressing my lace into place, or placing the lace on the glue in general, is I like to kind of pull my lace and then press it in. It kind of gives like a more snug feel, and also gives that quote unquote facelift little look that some celebrities get, or people get when they get an install. So what I'm going to do is go in and part off my baby hairs. And since I did do a little bit of trimming earlier, new baby hair placement is required. Once I do that, I'm going to take my Ebon Tinted Lace Melt, and I'm going to also take my band, and I'm going to spray my hairline down. As you can see, it's nice and melted, but listen, when you spray this and then you also tie it down, but on top of spraying the tinted one, because I only like to spray a little bit of the tinted one because it's colored and you don't want to OD with the color. I like to just do it for like the longevity of the spray, and then any additional like color match I need to do, I just use makeup, because the tint spray does last way longer than makeup. Does that make sense? So if you use the Ebon hair tint spray, that color that is going to be melted and tinted into the lace is going to last longer than any makeup. Okay, boom. So now that that's done, while that is melting, I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm going to press my hair back and really just kind of figure out how I want to style my hair. So like I said, I am going on vacation. I kind of already know how I'm going to wear my hair for certain vacation outfits, but I wasn't really sure how I wanted to just style it for the time being, because I didn't want to look like I had the same hairstyle all vacation long. I was giving middle part, but then it was giving no part, and then it was giving half up, half down, which I did wear it for majority of the trip that way. I don't know, but look at the lace, Bookie. It's giving melted, okay? Just enough of that ebony spray to give the perfect, like, contoured shade. Yeah, and then the original ebony spray really melted it into place. And sometimes it does make it crunchy. So as you can see here, I am combing that crunch off because I don't like that. And then I'm going to go in and pluck a little bit more and hot comb as I pluck, because that's really just going to help me create a more natural looking hairline, and the hot comb allows me to see what I'm working with and press it into place. So yes, I am going to go back in and pluck more. And I feel like on older wigs, that is required. Like if you have an older wig, if you're reinstalling it, you must repluck, okay? So now that our baby hairs have been molded, I'm going to curl them upwards. Upwards just does it, okay? It's going to allow your baby hairs to lay more effortlessly, which also allows you to use less product. Yeah, I just enjoy curling my baby hairs. And I did snip them kind of on a natural angle. If you guys would like to see a video of that, comment down below. And yes, I will produce that for you. But look at this. Natural, melted, no lace in sight. Come on now. Shop crowns for queens. So how I lay my baby hairs is I spray a very little amount of the ebony hairspray, and I literally comb it into place, and I comb and press. So I take my finger and press it down, but then I allow the comb to run through the end curl, and that gives off a laid but fluffy baby hair, because I like the ends where the hair has been curled to be fluffy and not holding spray down to the face. Does that make sense? Like I want it to still get fluffy, but to give structure. I don't want it to just look like curly as baby hairs. So yeah, this is what we have achieved. And yeah, so thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I'm sorry I did not finish a full on like look at the end, but if you guys did remember in the beginning of the video, I put in some clips from my vacation so you guys could see how I wore my hair, which as I said before, it was pretty much half up, half down. I think only one day I actually wore it wet. And how I actually style my hair when I do it just wet is I just use water in a spray bottle, Eco Styler gel. I like to use the argan oil one, and a Denman brush or something to detangle the hair. And I literally just go in and start from the ends up, and that's how I will wear it if it was given like a wash and go. And then for the other days after my wash and go kind of was fluffy and nice and big and cute, then I did the half up, half down. And yeah, that's how I achieve this look. And that's also how I maintain this Burmese curly hair, because it is high maintenance hair, meaning that it does need to be hydrated and moisturized at least every other day in order to ensure that, you know, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So yes, as I said before, thank you guys for tuning in to yet another video. If you guys would like to see more hair tutorials, you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys share, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.